To prepare fennel for grilling, we're going to cut off the stalks from the fennel bulb, and then we're going to cut the fennel lengthwise and get rid of the dried up bottom of the fennel. And now we're taking out the core of the fennel bulb. Since this is the toughest part of the fennel, we're cutting it out. We're going to cut it lengthwise again into 4 pieces. You can actually use the fennel fronds as herbs, so don't throw it away because you can use it in a salad and even in this recipe. And now we're placing the pieces of fennel bulb into a plate. We're gonna take a few pieces of fennel fronds and chop it up for this recipe. Now we're gonna completely peel the grapefruit to prepare for the salad, and we want to make sure that we peel it really well so that it's not bitter. Now we're gonna sprinkle it with some olive oil, salt, and black pepper, and we're gonna spread it out. You're gonna place the fennel on a direct heat 4 minutes aside. It's been about 4 minutes. We're gonna check on these. Looks nice and charred, so we're gonna flip them. It's been another 4 minutes, and we're gonna check the other side, and it looks pretty charred, so I think we're ready to take it off the grill. We're gonna add the mint and grapefruit, some more olive oil, and some lemon juice. We're also gonna sprinkle the herbs from the fennel.